We went in search of the best electric potato peeler on the market. Because peeling potatoes sucks. For generations, we've clung to that same old handheld peeler, grudgingly removing the unwanted skin from potatoes and other vegetables.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric potato peeler. So let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid KSM2 APC. The KitchenAid KSM2 APC varies from the other options on this list as it isn't a standalone product. You'll need a KitchenAid to use this attachment. Even the old KitchenAid mixers made back in the 1940s are compatible with this add-on. The KitchenAid brand is well respected and is known for producing high-quality, built-for-purpose appliances. An excellent feature of this peeler attachment is that it is made of stainless steel. A solid piece of equipment that's more robust than most of its opposition on this list. Although potato peeling is made simple by using this tool, you'll find it can perform other tricks that are sure to impress. There are spiraling blades that can spiralize fruit and vegetables. Number 4. Dash Go Rapid Peeler. The Dash Go Rapid Peeler is a good option if you're on a budget and are looking for something basic. It will get the job done if you're looking for occasional use and aren't cooking for large numbers. This unit is smaller and lighter than the others on this list, which is a positive if you're short on bench or cupboard space. The trade-off is that you won't be able to use larger vegetables with this peeler as they won't fit. The Dash Go Rapid includes replacement blades, housed in the bottom of the unit, as well as a paring knife to remove those pesky potato eyes and blemishes. Number 3. MAISON HUIS Multifunctional Potato Peeler. The MAISON HUIS Multifunctional Automatic Electric Peeler is a relatively new model to hit the market. It is an affordable option that is easy to use and comes with 2 replaceable blades. This tool will appeal to those who have very small kitchens and don't want to add another appliance to their already cramped space. Cleaning up is simple as the blade easily detaches from the rest of the unit. Perfect for those busy midweek nights when you're short on time. The peeler doesn't have a power adapter but runs on 4xAA batteries, which still offers plenty of power to peel the most stubborn skins. Number 2. Succi Shan. The Succi Shan 2016 peeler is an automatic vegetable peeler that can also peel fruit such as apples, pears, and oranges. As with many units on the list, the peeler comes with spare blades in the bottom of the unit so that you don't have to worry about buying replacements. Number 1. LOHOME Electric Potato Peeler. The LOHOME electric potato peeler looks and works a lot like the Starfruit brand. A potato is positioned between a lower and upper holder, and the potato is then rotated, allowing the peeler to do its work. An adjustable arm adapts to different thicknesses. This makes it easy to skin different shaped fruit and vegetables. That was our list of the top 5 best electric potato peeler just for you.